Is hitting a deer considered an accident for insurance purposes? Have you ever wondered what happens if you hit a deer while driving? It's a common concern for many drivers, especially in rural areas. Let's break down how this situation is handled by insurance companies. When you hit a deer, it is generally classified as an accident for insurance purposes. However, it does not fall under the collision category. Instead, it is covered by a different type of insurance known as comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive coverage is designed to protect your vehicle from damages that occur due to events other than collisions. This includes hitting animals, theft, fire, vandalism, and natural disasters like hail or flooding. If you have comprehensive coverage as part of your auto insurance policy, you are likely covered for damages caused by hitting a deer. Now, it is important to note that comprehensive coverage is optional unless you are financing or leasing your vehicle. If you only have liability coverage, you would not be covered for damages resulting from hitting a deer. This means you would have to pay for repairs out of your own pocket. What if you swerve to avoid a deer and hit another vehicle or a stationary object instead? In that case, the damage would typically be covered under collision coverage, not comprehensive. Collision coverage applies when you hit another vehicle or an object, so it is crucial to understand the difference. In terms of injuries, if you sustain any medical issues from a deer-related accident, you may have coverage through medical payments coverage or personal injury protection. These coverages help pay for medical bills resulting from the accident, depending on what your policy includes. In summary, hitting a deer is indeed considered an accident for insurance purposes. However, it is covered under comprehensive coverage rather than collision coverage. Understanding this distinction is key to knowing how your auto insurance policy will respond in such situations. Make sure to review your policy to ensure you have the right coverage in place.